Getting into central London from Heathrow is pretty easy and it's fairly quick if you use the Heathrow Express. So, what you need to do is go to the Heathrow Express's website, which I've linked in the description below. So, first, once you're there, you're going to go from the From section. So, if you're starting at Heathrow, just select Heathrow Rail. It's going to automatically select London Paddington for you. And you have a few options for what kind of ticket you can buy. So an open return is a bit more flexible. A return means round trip, and a one-way is as it says. If you're unsure, you can hover over that little information point and it will explain each option for you. So you can select when you're arriving. So we'll just say this date and you're going to return a week later, for example. You select how many passengers you have traveling with you, and then you select find tickets. So once it loads, it's going to give you a few options. So these standard saver options are less flexible. So you can choose these. It gives you some details about basically the fare type, and you can select whichever one best suits your needs. There's also a business class option. So once you've done that, you can just select the ticket you want, make sure that you've got the dates correct. Also, there are options to add in an underground ticket. If you use contactless, I recommend just using your contactless card on the underground. It's a lot easier. If you have any promo codes, a rail card, if you're a tourist, you're unlikely to have this. If you have a Heathrow Rewards number, if you want to sign up for that, you can do that on their website. And then once you've selected everything you need to select, go ahead and click Confirm Selection. Here on this page, you can input your email address. If you don't have an account, if you do have an account, go ahead and log in. Once you've entered in the details, go ahead and click Continue. Here on this page, you're going to see the details on the left-hand side. Make sure that your email address is correct. You're not going to receive anything in the post, so you're going to need to make sure your email address is correct so that you can receive your e-tickets. If you want to receive more information from Heathrow Express, you can tick those boxes. Otherwise, you can ignore them. On the right-hand side, you're going to see the payment options. They do take PayPal and card. So once you've entered in your payment details, go ahead and click Continue to secure checkout. Here you're going to put in your payment details, and once you do that, you can click Pay. You're going to then receive your confirmation number, and your tickets are going to come through via email. When you are at Heathrow, you'll see signs for the Heathrow Express. I will say it is cheaper to book online, so if you're hesitant and you think you'll book it at the airport, it is more expensive, but online it's cheaper and you can get it all sorted ahead of time. Especially if you're a tourist and you're concerned that your card may not work when you arrive, this will definitely give you a peace of mind. So go ahead and book online, and it's that easy.